Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore the SPY ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 27th of January, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is meant for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 13th of January, 2025, our system has ranked SPY as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.19. Now, let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. The ETF has undergone natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 3.09%. This equates to an average daily return of 0.31% since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently exhibiting a horizontal trend, and further movements within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 1.87% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -1.02% to +4.34%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 22.8% over the next 12 months, with a possible return between 17.1% and 25.11%. This translates to a price range between $701.87 and $749.88 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY Exchange Traded Fund includes the headline, Evaluation of SPY ETF downgraded after the last trading session. The price of the SPY ETF experienced a decline of 1.41% on the last day, which was Monday, the 27th of January, 2025, dropping from $607.97 to $599.37. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.84%, ranging from a low of $594.67 to a high of $599.69. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 3.25% over the past 2 weeks. Volume on the last day increased by 33 million shares, albeit with declining prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that risk could be slightly heightened over the next couple of days. In total, 61 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $36.83 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $610.78, while the lowest price was $482.86. Currently, the price is 1.87%, or $11.41, below the 52-week high of $610.78, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments indicate that the S&P 500 is under substantial pressure, having fallen over 100 points recently, with the Nasdaq facing an even steeper decline of nearly 3.5%. This downturn can primarily be attributed to growing concerns surrounding artificial intelligence competition, which has raised doubts about the profitability and leadership of major tech firms like Nvidia. This widespread sell-off in tech stocks signals that fear may be creeping into investor sentiment, indicating potential volatility ahead. Looking forward, various earnings reports from key companies such as Tesla, Meta, and Microsoft, scheduled for later this week, are poised to further influence market dynamics. The outcomes of these reports, along with critical economic indicators such as the December personal consumption expenditures, will be pivotal in shaping short-term stock movements and possibly steering the S&P 500 towards a correction if results disappoint. In the long term, this mixed sentiment and potential for economic data surprises may lead to increased caution among investors. With the Fear and Greed Index currently neutral, we may see further fluctuations as traders digest these developments. If tech stocks remain under pressure, it could herald a broader market recalibration, significantly impacting SPY and the overall market trajectory in the coming weeks. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF currently indicates a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Because the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the ETF, which suggests a favorable outlook. Should the ETF continue to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $602.24. Conversely, if it declines, support can be expected from the long-term average at around $596.83. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which could impact the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 23, 2025, and since then, it has dropped by 1.7%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the ETF is advisable. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 4 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average has indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 12 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at 590.83, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the last day, the fund experienced a movement of 5.02 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 0.84%. For the past week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 0.667%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $600.80. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $590.83. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $578.43, which reflects a decrease of 3.49%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Currently, there is a sell signal due to a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is the SPY exchange-traded fund a good buy? The SPY fund displays several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. At its current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting either to hold or accumulate while we await further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical landscape, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this fund from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate position since our last evaluation. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 28th of January, we anticipate SPY will open down by $1.46 and commence trading at $597.91. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any purchases or sales of securities. Please do not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us when making your investment decisions. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.